Hello, Laureen, and for anybody who has questions about the patterns and stuff, well, here we go. Laureen, this is the one we're talking about. As you could see, I'm going to pull up my patterns on my phone so I can explain to you briefly. We have to learn these patterns, by the way, okay, guys? We have to learn them, memorize them, so as soon as we see them, it's going to be second nature to us, to our eyes. We could spot them right away, okay? What you guys should do for now is go over your chart, right? A 15-minute chart, Euro USD, British Pound USD, USD JPY, any chart. Just go over it and try to find the patterns and circle them in. Insert, shapes, or ellipse, eclipse, whatever. There's another one here. All right, this one right there. All right, so Lorraine, you were saying here, we see the RNR, indeed, right? So we have the red and the green, right? That's basically an RNR with a buy indication. If it was going to be valid, this candle would have opened right here and going up in green, okay? But since this candle opened here and went down, okay, then the pattern is not complete. That means we wait to enter the trade here at the opening of this candle. See, this formed a pattern right here, which is the long leg RNR, the long leg railroad, or the pullback. The pullback is coming, the RNR pullback, right? RNR, by the way, it means railroad, all right? Because these look like a railroad track, right? So here we have a pattern, RNR, but then it's followed by another one. When this one is complete, it triggered, it went down. What you guys are supposed to do now is one, memorize the pattern. Two, look on your chart wherever you see the pattern if it triggered. If it triggered, meaning if it actually did go in the direction it said it was going to go. Like here, for example, we have the long leg RNR. This one is not that short, but this one would have been shorter. It would have been a perfect long leg. But still, we have the long green candle and a shorter red one, which is the long leg RNR. And this means sell. And look, it triggered. It went down. And here we could calculate how many pips it went down. Let's say you open your trade here for $1 and you closed here. You would have made $175 with this little area right here. Right? Now, let's see where it triggered again. Here. Look, this is a pullback RNR, right? Let's leave the RNR out because we know they're all RNRs, all right? Except for the morning and evening star. Let's just call them pullback, tiny, long leg, super, whatever, okay? So here we have the long leg, the pullback. So we have the short green and the long red. We would have opened the trade here, close here, okay? Because here we see another pattern showed up, which is the reverse of the opposite of this one. Look, red, this is the pullback for the buy. So we would have closed basically here and buy. We went up and look, another pattern showed up, the green, this, and this. This is basically a morning star, meaning sell. You would have sold right here. You would have sold right here. You see it went down, 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 it went down. For $1, you would have sold. It would have stopped here. Here you have the little pattern here, which is the RNR, basically. You see this, that means reversal. So you would have closed right here. Would have made $260. Or maybe we would have closed here, it would have been $240. Would have still be a good trade, you know? So your job now is to go through your chart and find all the places you see the pattern where you would open the trade and where you would close the trade. That's your homework as a trader, all right? There's a pattern here. It got followed by, this is a pattern. Then it got followed by another one. These two here made up another pattern. And it triggered, it went down. This is another pattern, if you could tell, if you could see, the long red and the tiny green, which is, this is a long leg RNR. And look, this triggered, it went up in super buy. Here, we would have closed here because this shows a reversal pattern, but it kept going up. See, this one is not valid, for example, because here's a little green candle, then another green, whatever, whatever. This one is not valid. This one is valid. This one triggered, and it went down. So you see, it's not 100% success rate. It's not going to work 100% of time. If it was guaranteed to work 100% of the time, then everybody would be a trader. Everybody would come in, look for these charts. Oh, this showed up, let me sell. Oh, they're going to sell, make money. Oh, this showed up, let me buy. Oh, they're going to buy, make money. Oh, this showed up, let me sell. They would have sell. They would have made money in the perfect world if it was 100% accurate. But it's not 100% accurate. It's accurate enough for you to generate profit by using your technical analysis also, and by using proper risk management. All right, but it's never 100% accurate. All right, Lorraine and anybody else who's out there. Anyways, that's it for today. If you have any question, call me. All right, stop recording. Stop recording.